Please know how much I appreciate your patronage of my Daily Bugs channel. Despite the market alert, XRP isn't frightened to be here. However, after this, what will happen? Bitcoin is also approaching 65,000 when viewed in the context of the market overall. On a few instances, it did touch it. Will it make us feel queasy? Absolutely not. Because there is still a lot of work that needs to be done. No, there is still a significant obstacle that could arise. We haven't even left the forest. However, what genuinely thrills me is the quick recovery from those fraudulently low market levels. I regret misinforming so many people with my earlier warning about the market's pessimism. No matter how funny it is, isn't it? Market sentiment can be seen, for instance, in the retail industry, which is notoriously pessimistic when conditions are bad and optimistic when they are good. Of all the assets, XRP is the most valuable. Your 12th-place surge to the top or continuous presence in the top 100 has taken everyone by surprise. I can assure you without a doubt that it is not. In fact, it is no longer among the top 500. However, it was just averted. I indicated earlier that much of the cryptocurrency market is currently in a very optimistic phase, but it's still fantastic that XRP is doing well. Furthermore, I believe the alt season is approaching, thus the time has come to issue a warning. As I indicated earlier, we have not even set foot on shore yet. Having said that, we did record a video not long ago talking about XRP. I was going to say something about how XRP is really flying off the shelves. What happens next? Furthermore, I have outlined certain crucial procedures that we will go over today. I am intrigued by XRP because of its high trading volume. That will soon become the main focus of our conversation. However, there are a few things that need to be clarified before we proceed with that. Whale trades of one are still possible, and a huge 237 million XRP trade occurred on July 9th. Many individuals persist in relishing the act of assuming. Since it happened while XRP was in trade, I will quickly look into it. On last month's 9th, something happened. This is the first sign of a trend that will become popularity in due time. I can't emphasize the significance of closely monitoring the large sum of money enough. On the wall page, you can find a free guide if you are interested in doing that. Under the description, you could find a link to view it if you are interested. You may also access the free Discord server using the same URL. Another benefit of this market is that it allows us to track how whales behave. There are a number of reasons why I believe it is essential to monitor those enormous wallets. There was a price of 44 cents at 9 o'clock, even though everyone else was shouting at markedly lower prices. Also, XRP is hovering around the 60-cent mark. It was a horrible gain, that much was certain. Roughly 20%. So, it doesn't appear to be that bad. Nevertheless, we can now turn our attention to the alternative volume enhancements. This is due to the fact that XRP started experiencing substantial fluctuations following this period. We could then hear the volume rising. Just now, as the volume was surging and XRP started to wake up, I filmed the video. An astounding 56% of the original investment has been recovered. To me, that was pretty significant. The price of XRP has been going up ever since it peaked at around 52 cents. Why nothing makes sense to me. Would I be right? The hype surrounding XRP is perplexing to me. When 136 billion XRP trade hands in less than 3 hours and there are numerous whales involved, it is evident that something is happening. The posting date was the 15th. Our day-long exploration of chain transactions comes to a close now. The amount of XRP is huge. It's not quite 1 billion or 2 billion, but it's far more than that. The reason behind this is that many people seem to be guessing about what the Ripple v SEC ruling will be as the deadline for the case approaches. Reportedly, some interesting flows are underway, and XRP is shooting for a massive 250% increase. As we continue to scroll down, more details will be disclosed about this. New data from CoinShares shows that XRP investment product inflows surged 250% in the last week. Investments in these ETFs surged by about 1 million, or 1,000%, from the prior week. The total amount of capital put into XRP ETPs has grown. There has been a significant disparity between this and the 19 million ETFs launched this year. From what we can tell, the sudden influx of cash is probably linked to the increasing expectation of the SEC use case versus Ripple report's conclusion. Rumor has it that the parties are allegedly negotiating over the ultimate settlement amount, with SEC requesting $2 billion and Ripple seeking $10 million. I won't go into detail about when the litigation will be resolved, but that should be enough information. At this exact moment, everyone is eagerly awaiting July 18th. Now is the time for a crucial event. You are all aware that I am not interested in any of these dates. I expect a strong run until the 18th, then a significant reversal, because if this is the main reason for pumping, the event on the 18th doesn't seem to matter much. Conversely, the answer is unknown to everybody. Ultimately, my sincere wish is that a solution may be found. My prediction is that this would have far-reaching consequences for the cryptocurrency market and XRP holders specifically. Nevertheless, XRP's value might be close to 59 cents according to the Fiat leak. 1 million, or more than 2 million XRP, changed hands in the last second. Thus, a significant amount of XRP has been traded within the last minute. The demand for XRP is incredibly high, as demonstrated below. Everything is laid out for all to see. Your pleadings would have been in vain. I seriously doubt I could turn this around. Check out leak.com XRP for more details about when this Fiat leak ceased. Just look about you, this is happening right now. It is really bothersome, I must say. It happened after we found out XRP isn't a security, which you might remember if you watched my video then. It is incredible that more than 5 million XRP changed hands in the last second. An additional point I did make was the significance of transaction volume. I thought, my gosh. The number of trades involving XRP surged by over 90% today, while its volume increased by 12%. I promise that it will be live 92% of the time until the recording is over. The 92% trade volume is just astounding. Rest assured, I would have no issue with XRP falling to approximately 5,657 cents. Maybe there will be another price increase before then as well. No matter how you slice it, this graph is just mind-blowing. It shows a 35% increase from last week, a 20% increase from last month, and a consistent decrease from last year. That being said, XRP is still far from reaching its maximum potential. The transfer of 2.5 million XRP Scan.com accounts has been completed, according to what I just saw. It was in October or December that such a drastic change occurred last. This snapshot from December offers further proof of XRP's presence, which we shall quickly analyze. The fact that XRP was falling much further behind the market just made matters worse. Since reaching a peak in July 2003, it has been steadily falling. Watching the total amount of payments climb is fun, even though I don't understand what it is. Now it's easy to see who sent you XRP and when. The number of individual addresses has stayed roughly same, and furnace fees have gone up little but not much. The total number of transactions can be seen. As unbelievable as it sounds, this has been increasing by almost 3.4 million a year. It highlights the December resistance as well. Since I am not privy to the specifics, let's examine July of 2023 as a starting point. It sounds ridiculous in comparison to what's happening right now. Why July always seems to be a very busy month for us. But there really wasn't. There were not many business deals made at that time. You may already be aware that XRP's price has increased significantly, despite the fact that it is not a security. I had no idea what to expect from that. When that is done, you will be shown the overall authorized accounts and the number of successful transactions. Nothing exciting has happened so far. If you are new to my channel and have subscribed, I am grateful. Later on, we may arrange to meet up.